Right now, over 300 million people are using a VPN, funneling their data through free services to avoid a monthly subscription. But if you search any app store, you're met with a wall of generic, free VPNs. Many of these are shells, malicious apps designed specifically to attract people looking for a bargain. These services don't make money from subscriptions. They make it by harvesting your credentials, tracking your browsing habits, and selling your digital profile to the highest bidder. Using an unverified VPN often means trading your total privacy for a slightly different IP address. To stay safe without paying, you have to find providers that have undergone independent security audits. The first requirement is a zero-log policy. This means the provider uses RAM-only servers that wipe every bit of your session data the moment you disconnect, so there is physically nothing left to share or steal. Legitimate, safe VPNs operate on a freemium model, using revenue from paying customers to subsidize everyone else. Because server maintenance is expensive, these free versions must include mandatory restrictions. These hurdles keep the service sustainable while encouraging you to eventually upgrade. When we filter the market for companies with verified audits and transparent revenue models, only 4 free tools meet the criteria: Privado, Windscribe, Hotspot Shield, and Proton VPN. We've stress-tested all 4. While they are safe, they each extract a different tax, whether that's a cap on your monthly data, a drop in speed, or a limit on which servers you can access. We'll start with Windscribe and Privado, the 2 options that rely on strict data caps to manage their server load. Windscribe offers a path for total anonymity. You can download the client and start a connection without providing an email address or any personal details. This scorecard shows the cost of that anonymity. Without an email, your monthly data is limited to just 2 gigabytes. If you register with a basic email address, both Privado and Windscribe increase your monthly allowance to 10 gigabytes. To put that in perspective, 10 gigabytes is enough for basic web browsing, but if you try to stream high-definition video, you'll burn through that entire monthly limit in a single afternoon. This makes these services ideal for surgical use, like quickly accessing a blocked website, but they aren't designed for heavy daily internet habits. This brings us to Hotspot Shield and the second major trade-off of the free tier, performance loss. On this speed retention chart, our control speed without a VPN registers at 50 megabits per second. When you connect to a free server, you're sharing limited bandwidth with thousands of other users on a congested network. For Windscribe, Privado, and Hotspot Shield, our speeds dropped into the 24 to 28 megabit range. That's a 50% loss of total bandwidth. We also saw a significant spike in latency. All 3 of these providers showed ping rates higher than 500 milliseconds. A 500 millisecond delay makes snappy web navigation feel sluggish, and it makes competitive online gaming functionally impossible. This loss of speed and responsiveness is the standard price for using safe, free servers to bypass regional blocks. Proton VPN is the only tool in our test that operates on a different set of metrics. Look at the speed retention chart now. Proton VPN registered at 42 megabits per second, a drop of only 8 megabits from our raw internet speed. It also improved on responsiveness with a 340 millisecond ping that is significantly lower than the other 3 options. But the biggest difference is on our data cap scorecard. Proton VPN provides unlimited monthly data on their 3 tier. To provide that level of speed and data for free, Proton makes one specific trade-off. They remove your ability to choose your server location. While the other 3 let you pick specific cities, Proton locks you into a randomized server in a country of their choosing, often Poland, the Netherlands, or the US. You get premium speed and no data limits, but you have to give up control over exactly where your virtual location is centered. Choosing the right free VPN is about matching these specific trade-offs to your actual internet habits. If you need a VPN for daily professional use, high-speed torrenting, or constant security, the restrictions of a free service will eventually get in your way. At that point, you should move to a paid provider. If you only need a VPN occasionally to bypass a specific regional block, like appearing in a specific city to unlock an app, Privado and Windscribe are your best tools. In those cases, the 10 gigabyte limit is a reasonable trade for having exact control over your server location. But if your priority is streaming massive amounts of data and you don't care exactly which country your traffic is routed through, Proton VPN is the clear choice. It is the only safe option that provides high-speed, unlimited capacity without asking for a credit card. There's no such thing as a perfect free VPN, but by understanding these compromises, you can stay protected without ever having to pay for it.